Welcome to the We Talk Health Podcast, the official podcast for West Tennessee Healthcare. Please be advised that this podcast is not intended to replace any medical advice. Always follow your medical professional's advice and direction. Nothing said in this podcast is intended to supersede or supplement the direction of your medical caretakers. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at wetalkhealthpodcast@gmail.com, and we will do our best to answer any questions you may have.
Welcome to another episode of We Talk Health. My name is Kwasigroh, and joining me in the studio today is Dr. Dina Ahmad. She is a gastroenterologist here in Jackson, Tennessee, and one of our brand new providers as part of the West Tennessee Medical Group. Dr. Ahmad, if you would, just kind of tell us about who you are and what you do.
My name is Dr. Dina Ahmad, and I'm a gastroenterologist with West Tennessee Medical Group.
Well, it's really great to meet you, and I'm glad you are here in Jackson now. So if you would, tell us where you're from and where you went to school.
So I grew up in Amman, Jordan, and this is where I did my medical school. Then I came to the United States to complete my specialty and subspecialty training. I went to University of Missouri, Columbia for internal medicine residency. I then went to University of Nebraska to complete 3 years of general GI fellowship. I worked as an assistant professor at Creighton University, and after that I pursued additional training in advanced endoscopy at Case Western University in Cleveland, Ohio, where I learned to do endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography and endoscopic ultrasound.
That's all very impressive, and we are very lucky to have you here. What interested you in gastroenterology?
I decided initially when I first got into internship, I actually wanted to be an oncologist. But after that, I realized I wanted a specialty that has a mix of seeing patients in the clinic and in the hospital, and also being able to do procedures. And this is when GI came into play. And also there has been a huge advancement in the medical technology in the field of gastroenterology over the last several years.
That's really amazing. So how about you tell us about your family?
I'm married, and my husband, he's also training in gastroenterology, so he's finishing his fellowship. And I have 3 little kids that keep me busy, so I enjoy spending time with my husband and with my kids.
That's great. We are lucky to have all 5 of you here in Jackson. So what drew you to the medical group when you first heard about it?
I feel that West Tennessee Medical Group is a good fit for me because I believe in their mission of service, and because they offer a large network of physicians who I can work with to help my patients and take care of them and provide the best care possible.
Like I've said several times, we are very lucky to have you and your family here in town. Listeners, if you are in need of a gastroenterologist, Dr. Dina Ahmad is currently accepting new patients at West Tennessee Medical Group Gastroenterology on 27 Medical Center Drive here in Jackson, Tennessee. Their phone number is 731-541-8300. Feel free to give them a call and set up an appointment. Dr. Ahmad, thanks for coming in today, and this has been another episode of We Talk Health.